of this now. Tell you, man. Then you gotta park like this. You can't even get in this driveway when you park like that. What's today? Saturday? Probably they'll be back on Sunday, Monday. Yeah. They opened that one up okay. Complete idiots. Yeah, that's like indoor stuff. That whole channel. Complete fools. Oh, they screw up my lights. They did this over here too. And they trashed this whole thing. I got a video of the noise. They put this thing over here. Oh wow, like they're here again. Because they put lugs on it. They didn't have bolts on it. Every day someone's back here fucking around with shit. And they broke the sprinklers. Now they got wires hanging up. They just totally trashed this place. Every day they're back here. Whoa, a lizard just went in the air conditioner. Oh, look at that cone. That thing's trashed. Shut up, dog. Shut up. The car. People just, they roll the stop sign again. Constant. Alright. There's the shit place. Literally put this shit, they could have put it over there. This is like, how stupid can you be? How stupid. This is just the norm, and this it's just gonna be more and more of this when they keep on letting more people into this place. Funny. Good the dog didn't see that. Anyway, it took years for not to get mad about stuff like this anymore. All you can really do is just play a game and be stupid back to everyone and be manipulative, kind of like how the pros do, who's running the joint. And then the stupid people will think nothing's actually wrong with anything because they just agree with everything. They're very agreeable, the stupid people. They don't see anything they do doing wrong. They just keep on doing stupid stuff and they're just like, haha, I'm gonna do it anyway, haha. Kind of what you see going on right now. So just be more agreeing with those people, and then you can just basically lead them into a hole, and they'll never see the hole that you're leading them into because they're just that stupid and mindless. When they just literally destroy everything and make things worse for everyone. But see it a lot here. Awesome, 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 awesome. Oh, remind me, I gotta go pull these things. I found them in a rich neighborhood on the other side of this place. That way. Oh, tell me with me. 1, 2, still got some of them getting a little buried. 1, 2, 3. Dog's not coming, he can stay. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Where's the rest over there? It's like the lights in your car. It's a corrosive place. Alright, Jurassic Park.